My name is Tamara and I'm the yoga facilitator at ADLER THERMAE in Bagno Vignonis. Today I'm going to teach you a breathing technique called Ujjayi. It is an active breathing technique that enables us to do so, something we usually don't, which is using our full lung capacity. For this session, find a comfortable position. It can be this position with your legs crossed, or you can use a yoga block or a meditation cushion. You can sit in a full lotus position, or even just sit on a chair if you prefer, as long as your back doesn't lean on anything, neither a backrest nor a wall. Now, with your arms relaxed, rest the back of your hands on your knees, or on your thighs if you are sitting on a chair. You can close your eyes if you want to, but you don't have to. Leave the outside world behind and just draw your attention inward to yourself and your breathing. Focus your mind on your body. And pay attention to all the sensations you can feel through your skin. If you are outdoors, you might feel the wind or the sun, for example. Now relax your face and stretch your neck while loosening your shoulders. Let the weight of your hands and arms unload onto your legs or knees. Feel the entire length of your spine and your pelvis rooted to the ground or chair. Keep your legs relaxed and just observe your natural, non-controlled breathing. In a little while, you will be practicing a form of active breathing where you consciously control every breath you take, in and out. Pay attention as to whether you are breathing through both nostrils. Feel the air pass through your throat and descend into your lungs, and then go back out. Feel your body and your breath. In a moment, I will ask you to contract specific areas in your body. The first is the abdomen, which you will gently draw inwards. Then you will activate your pelvic floor. The third area is easy to activate. Just tuck your chin in slowly, drawing it inwards so as to align your neck with the rest of your spine. But let's take it one step at a time. Place your hand on your belly. Take a deeper breath than usual and only breathe through your nose. As you breathe out, draw in your abdomen. Expand your abdomen when you breathe in, and contract it when you breathe out. Inhale and expand. Exhale and contract. And so on. On your next inhale, draw in your abdomen and hold. Let your hands go over your knees and continue breathing deeply. When drawing in your abdomen, notice that your breathing has shifted to the upper part of your chest. It might feel harder to breathe like this, but don't worry. It's just a matter of practice. On your next exhale, also contract your pelvic floor. Feel your chin drawing inwards. Focus your awareness on your inhaling. When you breathe out, don't force it. Just let the air flow out on its own. Continue breathing in and out without breaks. As soon as you've finished breathing out, breathe in deeply, always drawing your abdomen inwards. Breathe out and let go. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. As you breathe in, loosen your shoulders and keep your abdomen drawn in as you breathe out. Breathe in, relax your hands. Breathe out, contract your pelvic floor. Continue breathing. As you continue breathing, you can close your windpipe slightly, like you do when you swallow or drink water. Over time, you will learn how much you should close your windpipe to create the hissing that is typical for Ujjayi breath. You can also count inside your head. For example, you can choose to count to 5 whenever you inhale and exhale. This way, you'll be breathing in and out for the same length of time. So you can start breathing in 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 4, 3, 2, 1, in 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 4, 3, 2, 1, again. In and out. in and out. Continue breathing. You can feel yourself connect to your awareness as you breathe in and expand, and breathe out and let go. There's no need to control anything. As you breathe in, you expand and take in oxygen, and as you breathe out, you let go of all tension. On your next exhale, stop controlling your breath. Relax your abdomen and pelvic floor, and slowly go back to breathing naturally. Notice the quietness that is now inside you. Perhaps you will notice that your breathing has grown deeper and more fluid, and that you are feeling unburdened. Join your hands in prayer in front of your heart and thank yourself for the attention you've been paying to your breath. Namaste.